Okay, there's the old 65 T-Bird running convertible. Getting ready to move her into the garage. So I'm getting her warmed up because I have to go out on the street and I don't want any hiccups. The old car's pretty rough. So we'll see what she looks like when I get her out of the garage. She may end up being a parts car. Hope not. But here she is on the day of moving. This should be her final trip. And I have to move the van out of the way to get out the gate. Alright, so I'm going to have my wife film it going out, or video it, and I'll set up a camera and stuff on the other end. That's her. So that's what this video is about, is getting this 65 T-Bird in the shop. There's the old Thunderbird in, and there's not a lot of room in this old shop right now, but I'll have to rearrange. I'll end up putting that back outside once I get a little more work done to it. Once I get the quarters on it, I'll put it back outside and focus on the Thunderbird. And also, I wanted to thank John Arnone, John in Arkansas, for putting a shout out for me. He really boosted my channel a lot from where I was sitting. That was a really nice thing for John to do. I really appreciate that, John. Thank you very much. And you've been an inspiration to keep me going on this Thunderbird. Not that I need a whole lot, because I do love these old Thunderbirds. So, but hey, you know, just messaging and asking me how it's going with it was nice. And that spurred me to say, hey, get this in the garage, because I really do want to work on it. Anyway, thanks again, John, and thanks for all the new subscribers that came over from John's channel to see me. I really appreciate that. Hopefully I don't disappoint anyone. I would understand, though, if the content's not what you're interested in. So, next plan of attack for this old rig is start pulling parts off it, because this car needs to go down, because it's so bad as far as the paint and everything, and well, as far as a lot of things. But I want to strip this car right down to the hull, right down to the shell. And it's going to be a very big project, and John mentioned in a little video that 2 years probably wasn't going to be enough, and I have to agree with you, John. This is going to take quite a bit longer than 2 years. But I may have a drive in it in 2 years. If I can get the shell done and a lot of the body back together, I might get a cruise in it, but it won't be finished. So that's her, and thanks for watching my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it, and actually a shout out to the subscribers that I already had watching the Ranchero. I'm not going to give up on it, guys, on the Ranchero. I'm going to keep going. There are some people that are interested in that, for sure. It's a cool car. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching my channel, and see you in the next one.